Hey everyone, welcome. Today I am going to talk about something that's changing the game for water detailing shop like yours. If you run a PPF shop, do window tinting, ceramic coatings or detailing, this is for you. We are driving into AI search and more importantly how to make sure your shop shows up when customers are looking for you. So let's get started. So here is the problem. You might have a great website, you might even rank on Google, but what's happening now? Traditional SEO isn't cutting it anymore. Google has rolled out this AI powered summaries. They are called it AI overviews. And they are making the decision about what customers see first. A lot of times people don't even click on a website anymore. They just read the AI summary and make their choice right there. So if your shop isn't that summary, you are invisible and that costing you customer every single day. So here is the reality how customers search today. So let me show you what's changed. When someone searches for how to maintain pen percussion film or best PPF shop, they don't see the 10 buildings anymore. They see one AI generated answer that on the top. Google pulls from multiple trusted source that summary and customer trust it. They make decision fast. Most of them never scroll past that first answer. So so here is the reality. If AI doesn't know about your shop and if it doesn't trust your brand, you are not getting in that summary and you are losing business to competitors who are showing up. What AI overview means for your shop. Let me give a real example of when someone searches for PPF shop or best PPF shop in your targeted city or asks the Google AI or AI mode or Google AI summary to recommend a uh, PPF shop, then it's create a summary or a list of say something like top rated shops in your area include, then list two or three names. Those shops get calls everyone else cricket. So your goal is simple: get your shop mentioned in that AI summary or AI mode. That's the new game, and we're going to show you how exactly to do it. Entity SEO first, become the go-to shop. Okay, so here is it get interesting. AI doesn't think like the old Google algorithm. It doesn't care about keyword stuffing. It thinks in what we call entities. An entity is basically a thing that AI can clearly identify and trust. Your shop, your service, your location. When AI sees your brand mentioned consistently across the web in the right context, it learns and it says, "Oh, this is shop or this is the place in this area for the PPF," and that entity first SEO. You want to become the obvious choice, the go-to expert, the shop I trust enough to go recommend. So, how to do you become trusted expert? You build what called topical authority. Here is what that means. Don't just have a basic service page. Create a cluster of your content around your expertise. Write detailed guides, answer common questions, share your case studies before and afters. And the more you own your niche, the AI more learn that you are the authority. That's about this way. If someone searches anything about PPF or ceramic coating in your area, your name should be come up. That's topical authority and that's what gets you into AI summaries. Now let's talk about structured data. I know this sounds technical, but stay with me. Structured data is basically a language that helps Google's AI understand your website better. It's like giving Google a cheat sheet. You use something called schema markup. You tag your service, your reviews, your FAQs, your location. When you do this, AI can pull your information quickly and confidently. And guess what? When it's easy for AI to understand you, you get cited. You show up in those AI summaries. Your competitors who skip this step, they get left behind, and this is one of the biggest advantage you can have. Here is something most shop owners don't realize. AI doesn't just look at your website. It looks everywhere. It scans entire web for mention of your brand, reviews on Google, social media post, local news article, industry forum, all of that builds your credibility. This is social proof and it matters more than ever. So encourage your happy customers to leave reviews, get featured in local media, be active on social platform. Every mention adds up. It tells AI this is shop this shop is legit and people trust them, and that trust is what gets you recommended. Okay, let's talk about your personal brand as the shop owner matters. AI doesn't just trust business anymore. AI trusts people, experts. Put your name on your content, share your expertise, post videos showing your process, answer questions on YouTube and LinkedIn, show your face, build your credibility. And when AI see your name consistently tied to PPF or ceramic coating, it starts treating you like a subject matter expert. And when customers search, they don't just see your shop, they see you, the trusted expert. And that builds confidence, and confidence drives business. Here is the good news. Yeah, AI can generate content now. There is a flood of cheap, generic article out there. But here is what Google's AI actually rewards: depth, experience, authenticity. You are done thousands of installs. You know the mistake people make. You know which product actually work. That expertise. AI generated content can't fake that. So don't try to compete on quantity, compete on quality. Share your real stories, your unique insight, the things only you know from being in the trends. That's what trust that is wins in AI search. Engagement matters. AI is watching how people interact with your brand. Are customers talking about you? Are they sharing your post? Are they involved? Are you involved in your local community? All these signals matters. Run events at your shop, sponsor local clubs, answer question online, build relationship. The more engaged your community is, the stronger your digital footprint. And that footprint tells AI this isn't just another shop, this is a local hub. People care about them, and this kind of reputation is gold in the age of AI search. Alright, let's make this practical. Here is the action plan. 7 steps you can start implementing today. 1. Pick your main service. Don't try to be everything. One thing first. Build in-depth content around that service, guides, FAQ, case studies. 3. Add structured data to every page. Make it easy for AI to understand you. 4. Get more reviews and local mention. Social proofs is everything. 5. Put your name on your content and build your personal brand. 6. Focus on quality over quantity. Real expertise beat generic content. And 7. Engage your community both online and in person. Do these 7 things consistently, will start showing up in AI search granted. And that's all for today. If you have any question, please drop on this comment.